It warms. Let your light be turned. Your words kind and your faces deep. The warmth of your compassion will melt dissolve down and help your learners grow. Remember, the brightest teaching does not blind. It illuminates gently, allowing others to see their own potential. Dawn unfolds, inspire growth gradually. Listen to our word, crafted, chairperson, five, join the continuing personal development given by God. Grow, grow, and grow. The learning that we need. The sky does not leap from darkness to daylight and inside. Growth like the dawn takes time. The learners bloom at their own rhythm. So, some slowly, some in sudden brilliance. Trust the process.